So both of my machines need some parts, and I've ordered some parts online, and I got something in the mail today that I am assuming is one of the parts. So some of the things that I did order were a straight stitch foot, a light bulb, a motor pulley, some lubricant grease for the gears, one of the instruction books that's reprinted. I'm hoping it's bigger than the original ones because those are really small. The writing is really tiny in those. A lint brush, an oiler, and a bobbin case. So let me open this and see what this is. I'm kind of excited about it. Oh, so this is the bobbin case. And it came with bobbins. So, ooh, that's exciting. Great. I'm going to have to put that in right away and make sure that fits properly. So I'm quite excited about that. Awesome.